Hi, my name is Will Young, and if you're watching this video, that means you probably got the QR code from the wall on my door, next to my door, on my door. I'm sorry I couldn't be there today. I'm recovering from COVID, so I've been out all week, hoping to get back soon. But I wanted to at least allow a face and a voice to be lent to uh, my name on your kid's schedule. I have honors chemistry third and fifth blocks. So I have those on O days. And A days, of course. Monday, so Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, I have your child. Um, a couple of things about myself. I've been teaching chemistry and specifically honors chemistry here at North for over 20 years. I think this is year 24 actually for me. Most of that time, additionally teaching honors chem. I also teach AP Chem and forensics. So I've had some past honors chem kids go into both of those classes, and it's always fun to have them twice. But I do teach those as well. There's my email address. Um, Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or just to say hello um, at that email. All right, so what to expect from your kid, what you'll see at home. They should have pretty consistent homework just about every time we meet. It only makes up 10% of their grade. They will turn it in Schoology digitally. They can do it on paper and just take a picture of it. I usually give them a physical copy of it as well so that they can, if they prefer to have their homework assignments kind of alongside their notes, then that's there for that purpose. But it's pretty much every day. So you should see them with about, every time we meet, a homework assignment. Tests do make up 50% of their grade. Pretty standard in science, specifically chemistry. Want to see what they know, what they're able to do, how well that translates to test day. So, lots of opportunities, though. We will always do a review day before a test. If they miss that review day, they are responsible, though, for still being prepared for the test. We do cover 4 main units in this first semester. So we have a math and measurement where we're basically getting ourselves used to doing conversions and measuring and doing math and chemistry and also doing some lab work. Atomic structure, bonding, and chemical reactions are what we'll finish up with in December before our final. Labs, we do plenty of labs, and those will make up 25%. Those are graded a little bit more closely than homework. Homework I will sometimes just check to make sure that they, as long as they've done most of it correctly, they'll usually get 9 or 10 out of 10. Labs are a little bit more picky, just to make sure that they're doing all their measurements and calculations correctly, and also when they're asked to, maybe write up a little short paragraph analyzing their data and discussing their conclusions. And then 15%, the remaining 15% comes from the final, and that happens at the end of the semester. Of course, it is a 2-semester class, and they will have me both semesters. I'm the only honors chem teacher. So we will move on to other somewhat more challenging but also more interesting topics second semester. And then finally, I just encourage your students to please come and get help the first sign of difficulty. Chemistry is very cumulative. If they struggle with what we're doing in the first couple of weeks, that doesn't mean that they're necessarily going to fall behind, but it definitely builds on itself. So please send them in during AC Lab. They can sign up for me, one or both mods. I usually have available spots. If they need to come and get help after school, they just need to make sure they have a ride. I don't think we have an activity bus right now. And I am available after school, but only for about 30 to 45 minutes. So it may be a deal where they have to come and get a little bit of help and then either get a ride immediately, or they have to go to like the library tutoring center or something like that because they can't be unsupervised in the building. So, but please don't don't let them feel like they're drowning. If they feel like they're struggling, the quicker they get help, the better. And I am more than happy to help them at any time. So it's I'm excited to have everybody in class this semester. It's been a great first couple of weeks, and I look forward to a great semester. Please reach out if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.